Hello, welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am going to do a quick leftover paint pour over this canvas that I had dipped in some leftover paint one time and I don't really care for it. So I have some leftover paint from Artapalooza the other night. So I think I'm just going to do an old-fashioned flip cup. That's a lot of paint though. Yeah, let's just do it. Alright, had to get a stick pin to put a hole in the cup so to help the paint move. Alright, so I'm just gonna flip it and pull it this way. Woohoo! So the colors that I used during Artapalooza the other day were the teal, the metallic teal folk art, Amsterdam oxide black, Amsterdam white, and copper. Oh, and I do have a sapphire blue in here. It's folk art also. So I'm just using leftover paint. From that, I did 3 pours. You can go check out the video is up. Plus, Artapalooza is linked in my video, so you can see that. There's always crazy things happening over there. So if you don't know what that is, it's at the Artist Haven's channel. And she hosts every Wednesday night a bunch of different artists, anywhere from 3 or 4 all the way up to 10 artists at one time. And we all do different things and whatever we're doing, and we all art together, and it's live and it's a lot of fun. So I'm gonna put a little bit of black. Really don't want to lose all that color. So I had some black left over too, so just gonna put that right there. Help me not lose all the color. So if you're interested in being on the Artapalooza, just go to the Artist Haven and fill out the form, and she would welcome you guys, anybody. It's very welcoming. It's a very fun experience. All right, let's move this around a little bit more. So I will link the Artist Haven in the description box, plus the paints I used and the video of my result of my 3 paintings that I did this past Wednesday. All right. Gonna have to go off this way a little bit more because the sides are still white. Don't want to pour this thing twice and still have white sides. All right, let's see. Well, this is crazy looking. Just gonna take it back this way a little bit more. Don't want my black hole that big. Wow, this is very galactic looking. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. It's a lot of fun. I'm glad I did not waste this leftover paint. So let's give it a couple minutes to develop and I will bring you down for a close-up.
All right, well, we got a few more
all those came up. And I'm not sure what all else, but let's just look at it. So we've got the lower right up to the upper right, the upper left, the lower left, and there's the middle part. So there was no silicone used in this. It's all just Floetrol. And a little, no, I don't even think I used any water in my mix this time. So it's Floetrol only and paint, but the metallics definitely contribute to cells. So, plus using different brands of paint helps. So like if you use DecoArt and Amsterdam and Arteza, you're gonna get more reactions. All right, guys, that was quick fun. Thank you for watching and hanging out with me. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.